Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I want to show you a product that was sent to me by a company called Lokithor. Now this is a jump start or booster pack if your vehicle was to go dead or if you need a power bank. This is something that you could have whether you're camping or away from a regular power source and you're not able to jump start your vehicle. This would come in very handy. If you're in your vehicle, turn the key and you get just a clicking noise. You don't get the engine turning over as it's supposed to be. This one here is called a Lokithor. It's a J401. They have a couple of different ones. I will put the link down below in my Amazon store so you can check it out and see if it suits your needs. But let me show you what you get inside the box when you purchase it. All right, so let's open it up and let's take a look. Okay, so this is what the unit itself looks like. Okay, let's open it up and see what you get. Of course, it comes with your owner's manual how to use the J401. This is the unit itself. Okay, so this is the unit itself here. And it says it's capable of jump starting a 8.5 liter engine or a 6.5 liter diesel engine. All right, so it's a 2500 amp booster. It has multiple ports in it. One right here on the side is where you would plug your booster cables into. Then you have a light right here that you can turn it on if you need to see what you're working on or doing underneath the hood when it's dark. It also tells you the state of charge. That's an emergency beacon if you needed to be illuminated while you're stuck on the side of the road someplace. It flashes out SOS, just so you know. Okay? And that can all be controlled by just pressing the button right here. Now here, it tells you what's going on inside the booster pack itself. And it is 100% charged. You can see right here, I did charge it up already, just so you know, and I'll show you that charging process. The initial charge does take a little while to get it charged up. All right? It also comes with connectors on the side right here. You have the USB connector, which is right there. You have a USB here, and you have the other two charging ports right here, depending on which one you need. Okay, let's see what's in the box when we open it up, and we'll see what we get along with it. Okay, here we have our charging cables. This is how we can charge it if we're in the car and we're driving or we need to charge the unit up. You would plug this into your cigarette lighter or your accessory port in the vehicle itself. Open this up right here, and you would plug this directly into that, and this is plugged into your, as I said, the cigarette lighter or a power port. Okay, and that's how you can charge it up while you're driving. This is the other connection here that you plug in right here, just like that. And then you can charge up any of your other devices along with that. It does come with it. So all of the cables are supplied with it as well. And they plug into all three of these here. And if you're not sure what they are, you can take a look in your directions, or it actually shows you. It shows you right on the side right here. Now all of these connections here, they do look like they're watertight. They're probably not water resistant, but if you're out in the rain, you don't have to worry about water getting into it and damaging the product itself. Let's see what we get in this box here. Okay, and in this box, we have our booster cables, which basically just can only go in one way, so you never have to worry about possibly connecting it up incorrectly. You see how this one here has got that flat area on the side right there? It can only go in one way. Same thing with this one here. So you take it, you push it in here, you push it in, and you'll hear it snap in place. And now we're ready to boost the car to see if we can start it up. Now this particular vehicle, the battery is not dead, but this is the procedure you would go through if your battery was dead. First thing we do is we open up the hood of the vehicle. Let me read to you a little bit of the information that comes with the unit itself so you have an idea of its capacity. This is about the product itself. The product features is 74 watt-hours of continuous starting. Starting voltage is 12 volts. It's got the clamps, of course, the red being positive, black being negative. The starting current is 1500 amps. Peak current is 2500 amps. So in other words, it'll put out up to 2500 watts. All right, the battery itself is a lithium battery, a lithium flux battery. The other thing I want to tell you too is that the product itself also carries a 12-month warranty. If something goes wrong with it within the 12 months, you can warranty it and get yourself a replacement if that's the case. All right, so it has a fast charge, the indicator port, the jump start connectors, and it does have another feature on here which I failed to tell you before, and it's called if you connected up the terminals to the incorrect side of the battery. In other words, you put on negative on positive and positive on negative. It actually has an indicator on there that'll tell you that they're reversed. All right, so enough talking. Let's get in there and let's get this thing hooked up on the vehicle. And once you're underneath the hood, you'll see that your battery is located usually someplace up in the very front of the vehicle, left side or right side. This is the battery in this particular vehicle. We can see here it says negative, and right over here it says positive. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, negative and positive. What you would do is you take your booster pack, you bring it in over here, just like that. Let's turn you so you can see a little bit this way. Okay, take your cover off of the battery itself, and you'll normally just pull right off, just like that. We'll take our one cable and we're going to connect it up to our positive, just like that. And we'll take our other cable and we'll connect it up to our negative, just like that. And now we'll see what the voltage is. Okay, so once we have it connected up, we take it, we press the button here, and it turns on the unit itself. It's going to go through a sensing mode right now. That's what is putting out 15.8 volts through these cables, but as I said, this battery is not dead. So let's see what this battery has in it. We'll press it one more time, and we can see that this battery right here has got 13.3 volts in it. So when you initially connect it up, it's charging it's the output of this unit into the vehicle to start it. But if you want to see what the voltage is in your vehicle, you would just press this button the second time and it would tell you what the voltage is in the battery itself. All right, as I said, this one is not dead, so we're not going to be able to demonstrate how it starts, but I will keep you updated in the future how this works out, because I will test it out to see if it works. All right, so now that we're finished, we're going to turn it off. That's it, just press the button and hold it and you're done. I always recommend disconnecting your negative cable first and then your positive, like that. All right, now once the vehicle is running, of course, we don't have to worry about it. We just close this back down, just like that, and we put our cover back on. It only goes one way, slides on the top here, push it down, and that's it. We're all done. All right, so as you can see, using this item is actually a very simple procedure. And as I said, if you're uncertain exactly how to use it, it does come with the directions in the box itself, so you can follow along step by step, and it'll demonstrate exactly how to do everything that I just showed you right here. It's very simple to follow. The only recommendation I'm going to make, and I see this all the time, is people will buy these, put them in their vehicle, leave it in the trunk, and then not charge it up again ever until they need it, and they pull it out of the trunk, they connect it up, and they find out the battery in this unit here is not charged sufficiently to start the vehicle up. I recommend every 3 months charge the unit up so it's 100% charged, That way when you do need it, you'll be able to take it out of the trunk, plug it in, put it onto your battery, and boost start the vehicle yourself. All right, as I said, I'll put a link down below, but it does come with all the attachments that you need to go along with it, to do any of the charging that you need. And what I like too is that you can charge it right through your vehicle as you're driving. Now the other one here, the USB connector, is a way to charge it as well. It does not come with the power pack that you would charge it with. It comes with the connectors, of course, but it doesn't come with the power pack, so you'll need to have one of those at home to charge it up. That's the only thing that I see about this unit that I don't like, is it doesn't come with the charging pack to charge it up. Other than that, I'll keep you posted. When I use it, I'll see how it works, and I will give you an updated video in the future. All right, so as I said, I'll put the link down below in my store. Check it out, see if it suits your needs. If it does, you'll have it when an emergency strikes. All right, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.